South Bay sewage smell hit a breaking point this week when conflicting reports about air safety brought confusion and also a lot of frustration to people who live around there.
Yeah, today some of the local officials are trying to, clear the air about the air. ABC 10 News reporter Adam Campos is live in Imperial Beach. Adam, it's one thing to have to deal with the smell every day for seemingly months on end, but now people just want to know, is that safe? Is the air safe to breathe?
Hey, good morning, Jared and Melissa. And that's the biggest question. Is it safe? Is it not? And there's been a lot of confusion about the sewage crisis, especially this week, and about the toxins in the air right now. But at a meeting later today, some South Bay residents, or all of the South Bay residents, I should say, are going to get some clarification about what's exactly happening here with the sewage crisis. Because the locals, they have a lot of questions right now on what's really happening. The chair of San Diego County Board of Supervisors, Nora Vargas, her guidance from county health officials is different than researchers from UCSD, who are studying the impact of the sewage pollution at the border. Vargas says the air quality in the region does not pose a public health threat, while Prather, one of the professors at UCSD, says the levels of toxins in the South Bay have been so alarming, she pulled her team out of the area this past week, saying it is not safe to be outside. Officials for the Air Pollution Control District say changing wind patterns are contributing to the fluctuations in the fumes, but the conflicting reports are leaving some South Bay residents confused on what guidance to follow, so one went by the guidance of the schools.
Monday morning, the notice went out from the South Bay Union School District that all of the local schools were going to be indoor protocol. So Monday was an easy call. That was a no-brainer. There was a lot of news reports that came out that day about the cyanide in the air, which is, I don't even understand how that's possible to be able to happen in 2024.
Now, one crucial part in all of this, the IBWC said on Wednesday that river flows down by the border have stopped. That is a very positive update in this whole saga. So the meeting that's happening later today at 9 o'clock to give us that update on what local officials are doing. Again, like I said, it's at 9 o'clock. We're going to be following through with that for our midday coverage at 11 o'clock. And then later today, the county and the county's Air Pollution Control District will be having a meeting to talk more about the air purifier program here in the South Bay.